In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find out if it's the turtle soup or the continuation by using the order flow. So, as you can see, there's two possible outcomes after price taking out the relative highs or the relative lows. If it's real manipulation or the stop run, we're gonna see here the absorption. Let's say that we want to look at the sell position after the turtle soup, which price took out the relative highs, which they are resting by stop orders. So as you know, the stop orders turns into the market order in the moment of the price triggering them. So if there is a really stop run, we're gonna see buy absorption at these highs. As you can see, the sellers are weakened here, and we can observe the buyers jumping in, but they can't push the price higher because we need the balancing sellers for price moving higher. But there is not enough sellers and the price can't go higher. So after you see this thing in the order flow, you can expect the price turn back into the range where there is the normal distribution at the volume profile. The turtle soup actually follows the failed auction principle. So in the continuation patterns, you can see the price took out the highs or breaking the highs or lows. Example for, let's say, the price breaking highs. You can see there sell absorption, or the buyers and the sellers are balanced, not the buyers absorbed or buyers stop order triggered. There is a balanced sellers and buyers, which it helps the price discover more higher prices because the sellers are interested, but sellers got trapped here, price can't move lower. Buyers are balanced with the sellers, and it's the sign of the continuation with price breaking the let's say there is a distribution high volume node, price breaking the edge of the high volume node, and the initiative buyers looking for the new prices. In opposite, let's say that price breaking the lows and initiative sellers looking for the new prices, and buyers, responsive buyers, got trapped here and couldn't move the price. You're gonna learn more in the future lessons. In these lessons, just I want to show you the difference of the absorption and the continuation patterns, which can increase if you are trading CRT models, turtle soup models, which also it aligns with the failed auction from the auction market theory. I'm gonna record more order flow lessons at the future. Let's look at some example. Here's that we can see the relative lows there, and the price came and they manipulated them. How can you know it's the turtle soup, which can jump into the long position, or the continuation pattern which price wants to move lower? Let's zoom in here. By the way, it's the trading view footprint candle. It's volume based on the tick volume, not the order volume, but it can help you to estimate the auction going on the market. Here is the footprint settings that I use, manual, 3 ticks per row, and profile. So as you can see, the sellers got trapped here and they couldn't move the price more lower. And after the few of the buyers jump into the market, they can easily, these responsive buyers, they can easily move the price higher. Add volume profile, fixed volume profile into this range. As you can see, the value area of this zone is right here. And the price moved back into the balance zone, where the price find acceptance right here. These confluences can help you increase your win rate can help you find out more high probable trades. Let's look at the continuation pattern. As you can see, there is a rate of highs, and price firstly took out these highs. What we can expect is turtle soup or the failed auction, moving to the lower prices. But as you can see here, there is not clear absorbed buyers here, but there is a sellers which they are got trapped here, couldn't move price even lower. So it's the sign of the continuation pattern which price wants to move higher and find a new balance zone, because this acceptance zone is no longer accepted, and after that price finds out new auction zone here. It's the more basic example of the auction market theory. Price find the balance. After some event, price turns into discovery mode and finds another balance and turns into imbalance and again balance. Or price sometimes doing the failed auctions. The failed auctions are basically turtle soup and etc. So the turtle soup actually is the more basic form of auction market theory, but by using the order flow you can find more high probable executions. I showed you here the short position by absorption, but in the sell side we have to observe the sell absorption, sell stops triggered, and the buyers balancing before the continuation. That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions, you can drop it on the comments. So see you later. Be safe.